Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can auto remove silence from video in CapCut. So in here, you can just add the videos that you want to edit. And after that, you can go straight to captions. Don't forget to select the language and also the sound source. And after that, enable the identify filler words. So after you enable this, you can identify filler words to delete them in one tap, including silence. So just enable this. Now click on generate and wait until CapCut finish generating the captions. Okay, so after it's done, you can see there is this you can see the green one in here. There is pause, which means silence, and here you can see there's tone, pause again, and if you want to delete, you can just click on delete options at the bottom. Sorry, because I'm not in CapCut Pro, I cannot do that, but that's basically how you do it. You can just click on this to auto remove the silence. After that, you can click on done, and that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.